What's up, 2-Track Nation? Chase here, and this is going to be a quick little ripper of a video, more like a public service announcement, mainly because I got really excited over the last 3 days. I broke a wheel bearing, and I found out that it's still Christmas, okay? You can see there's a whole bunch of parts behind me. I don't even know how much it is, maybe like $9,000 or $10,000, but I paid probably less than $2,000 for all of that stuff, and I'm going to tell you how in this video. Actually, I'm going to tell you right now. Advance Auto Parts, I just found out, is going out of business. So everybody west of New Mexico, you probably could be involved in this. You just got to go and talk to Advance Auto Parts, see if they're going on a closeout. But literally everything in the store is anywhere from 40 to 90% off. And most of the big parts are 70 to 90% off. 40% is like the oils, the other little knickknacks that you still need, but they're just liquidating everything. So everybody East Coast, sorry, you don't get to be involved. But we got everything. I mean, I'm talking everything that I could need for this truck in the last 5 years. So I'm stoked because I also did this for the Jetta, the daily driver. Hunter even got some stuff, even bought the girlfriend some stuff, okay? You should think about your ladies when you're doing this because they got to drive too. But either way, let's come bring the camera in here. Let's check out what we got. Obviously, we got stacks of wheel bearings because I blow those out all the time. But we got even things like air filters, intake manifold gaskets, rear main seals, brake pads, mass airflow sensor. These are things that you probably don't think about that are going to go bad, but they eventually will. Eventually, everything will break on your truck. So this mass airflow sensor was I think regular 80 or 90 bucks. $7. $7. Just buy it, okay? You're going to need it. Come on down the line here. What else we got? We got some other stuff. Air check valves. We got stacks of U-joints because everyone knows that when you off-road, you break U-joints. Spark plugs, jumper cables. I own a Toyota, so my coil packs will probably last forever, but I bought 8 of them anyways because this was $4. I don't really care the brand either because it's so cheap. AC compressors, alternators, motor mounts, brake calipers. I did a brake upgrade on the truck. Rotors. We even got stacks of oil. Actually, none of this oil is for me. It's all for Hunter. I lied. This one's for the drift car. It takes put diesel oil in it. Don't ask me why. Anyways, just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick little ripper of a late Christmas, late Black Friday, but you can still hook yourself up. Spend some money, save some money down the road. But we also have some merch coming out. Wanted to do that. This exact shirt, this color, hoodie, design, wandering not lost. We just like to roam around the world, right? And I think it's even going to have this cool little two-tone thing going on here. But yeah, so that's coming in January. And also what's coming in January is we got some stuff for Hunter's truck going on here. You'll see that we've got the thickest rear seats I've ever seen in my entire life here. And Hunter said to me, he's like, we took these out and he's just like, here's every little thing under the sun now, because apparently 16 inches of insulation does a lot for a Denali. But we got some goose gear going in. He's doing second row seat delete. His truck's getting dialed. He's getting, we're gonna do a whole battery system in there, I think, electronics, getting the whole solar, everything up. And his truck actually dialed because it hasn't been for 2 years. We're not gonna talk about why, but it hasn't. And he's excited because 2025 is gonna be the year YouTube starts going crazy for us, and we're gonna be taking some cool trips. And so stay tuned, there's a lot of cool stuff happening. We're also gonna be doing, coming out, we got a bunch of chairs here. There's chairs here, over there, everywhere. We're doing a definitive chair review video that's coming out. I took some suggestions from you guys on Instagram, and I spent a lot of money myself on these chairs. And we're also thinking about what we have to do with these chairs when we get rid of them. And we might give some of them away. So Hunter's trying to signal something to me. What?
Tell them to comment what we want them to do or what we should do with the chairs.
Hunter says, comment down below what you think we should do with the chairs. I think that's a good idea. We got some ideas, but we want to maybe give some away, give back to you guys. Maybe do a scavenger hunt of some sort. I don't know. Let us know. We could even
overlanding scavenger hunt.
An overlanding scavenger hunt. Coordinates? Maybe. Who knows? Let us know what you think. Maybe we'll blow some up.
Whoa.
Maybe not. They were expensive. Probably won't do that. But either way, we got some fun things coming out for you guys. Gonna try and give some stuff away. Got reviews, got travel adventure videos coming out, and yeah, let's just pan back to this because this is like the most beautiful thing that I've seen this whole year. So this will hook the truck up for the next 3 to 5 years, hopefully, of most things that could fail. So check out Advanced Auto Parts. Okay, this sounds really great, but you're gonna have to work for it. I'm gonna let you know right now. I went 3 separate times because I kept thinking of new stuff, right? You're gonna have to wait in line for probably like 3 to 4 hours each time because the hub stores are the only ones that have stuff left, but you can still find it all. You just gotta be committed and you gotta want it. Oh yeah, pro tip for doing this, don't go there and ask them to look up every single part for you. Don't do that. They won't like it. Go in online, go to the website, and what I did is I took my car that I'm looking for, GX470, look through all the parts that you might want, and they'll tell you if it's in stock at that store. It'll say, like, if you can pick it up, it'll be like ready in 30 minutes. That means it's in the store, okay? That means they have it. So write the part number down, make a list of all your part numbers, and do that for all the vehicles that you want so that when you get there, you can just literally rattle off a list of part numbers. They'll love you for it because some have restrictions on how many vehicles they're gonna look up because there's literally a line of people waiting outside to get this stuff. So this is gonna be the most efficient for you. They're gonna really like you and they're just gonna look up all the part numbers and get you what you need and you'll be in and out faster than you can say lickety split. And so that's the pro tip. That's the hot tip for getting yourself set up for the next few years so you don't have to buy and wait. And oh man, now we just have a parts store in the garage. So it's great. Anyways, thanks for checking the video out. I hope this helps and I hope you guys have a great 2025. 2024 was a banger one for us and a lot of cool stuff to come. See ya.